The Ultra Simple Diet by Mark Hamans. Chapter 1. What is the Ultra Simple Diet? As I mentioned above, this program is founded on two fundamental principles of biology. To regain health and achieve consistent permanent weight loss, you need to address the underlying cause of diseases and obesity, toxicity, and inflammation. It gives you an opportunity to achieve immediate weight loss, but more importantly, offers you renewed energy and relief from many chronic diseases in just 7 short days. But how, you may ask, can you achieve such results in just 7 days? Simple. Take away the things that make you toxic and inflamed. Provide your body with foods and activities that help you detoxify and cool inflammation. Your body does the rest automatically. It has a natural ability to find balance and heal once you stop doing the things that throw it off balance and provide things that will put it back in balance. By eliminating the major sources of toxins in your life, addictive habits such as coffee, sugar, alcohol, processed food, fast food, junk food, trans fats, and high fructose corn syrup, and reducing toxic stress for only 7 days, your body can renew and rejuvenate itself. Brown Bear by Henry Hall. Brown bear, who do you see?
I see a red bird looking at me.
Red bird, who do you see?
I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Yellow duck, who do you see?
I see a blue horse looking at me.